This is how we make our steak and peppercorn sauce. Towards the end of 2025, my approach to steak changed. I began cutting horizontally rather than vertically. I found this added a more personalized touch to every steak. For this, we're going to cut horizontally and then portion it into 12 ounces. Going against tradition, I prefer to just salt my steak instead of coating it in black pepper. For our pan sauce, we're gonna reduce heat. Go in with our peppercorns and our shallots, touch of mustard, our whiskey, beef stock, oat milk.